Hey guys, it's Maymay, and if you saw my last video, you would have seen us make, I'll even show you, you'll have seen us do this guy, and this transfer was part of that set, and I want to do it for myself. So I did the Jingle All the Way board for my mom, and I'm going to do this pretty cabinet door one for me for my house. So don't blink, this is going to be a quick project. You will miss it if you blink. But this board is a new Couture board, and it is absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to put this in my home. So I'm going to get this one ready by fuzzing it first. So bring my fuzzing cloth over on this side. And this one I feel like might need a little more fuzzing. Maybe not. That wasn't too bad. So just going to fuzz it to bring a little bit of the tackiness down so it doesn't overstick to my board. And I know this sounds crazy and I say this a lot, but you will get a feel for this. When you have them at home and can feel the transfers, you'll know which ones need the most, work as far as fuzzing is concerned. And now this is made so that it fits exactly in that spot. Is that incredible? That is so cool. I think I even have it even. Let me look at it before I press it down. That looks amazing. Seriously, don't blink. You're going to miss this, okay? So I'm going to use red glitter because I think that will be gorgeous on here. And I think I'm going to use my favorite. I better not. The reason I wouldn't want to use this one is because in case I get any red that runs off the edge. So I need to use one of these guys so I have a little more control. So this is the red shimmer. Actually, it's shimmer red. I think I said it backwards. So I'm going to use this shimmer red and do all of these words. And you could do this in two colors, but they did it in the catalog in one color, and I just really think it's beautiful, and that's how I'm going to do it. And I'm going to put this in my home with the thing I'm going to do in the next video. So you'll have to stick around for that one because I'm getting all my Christmassy stuff ready to go. So in the next video, I'm going to be doing, I think it's going to be the next video, I want to do those trees, the cutouts that have the transfers that fit exactly to them. That's what I want to do next. So let me just cover all of this in this red and then peel this off and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, let me say this too. So this board I'm using is called a one-time use board. And Couture recommends that you wax it before you use it. And that's gonna help you pull your transfer off and things like that. I did not wax this one first, but I should have. So don't do what I say, don't do what I do what I say. So go ahead, if you have your wax, just go ahead and wax it. And all that means is just running the wax over the board, and then you just kind of buff it in and let it sit for 24 hours before you use it. And I just didn't do it. I didn't think about it. I just wanted to get this on here and got started. So be sure to think about that. And especially with your trees, you want to make sure you get those waxed before you do them. And it gives you directions on the packaging and also on the website for them. All right, it's about time to reveal it. Too exciting. Okay, from one end, and I'm going to peel evenly. I'm not going to peel from one corner only, but I'm lifting up evenly. Y'all are going to want to see that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is stunning. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. I bet you can't, there's a little bit of the shimmer. The shimmer is incredible. There it is. Oh my goodness. I love this so much. Red was the right choice. That's beautiful. Now all I have to do is let this dry and it's ready for my home. So there you go, guys. Super fast and easy. I said don't blink or you'll miss it. The other thing I may do is I may add a bow or some greenery, just kind of hot glue that in the corners. I think that'll be pretty. But that is this one. Now, for the month of July, if you make a purchase from my website, using the link below, I will send you a catalog as a thank you. So if you'd like to receive a catalog with all the beautiful things in it, that's how you can get one. Also, if you'd like to join our team, or if you just want more information, I'll have an email for you guys in the description below for that as well. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.